Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Keyword Planner keyword lists for SEO step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. If you do not have a Google Ads account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Tools icon, which resembles a wrench. In the drop-down menu, find and select Keyword Planner. You will be directed to the Keyword Planner dashboard. Choose the option that says Discover New Keywords. In the search field, enter a product or service related to your business. You can also input your website URL for relevant suggestions. Click the Get Results button to proceed. The tool will generate a list of keyword suggestions for you. Review the keywords and select the ones that fit your SEO strategy. Locate the Export button, usually represented by a downward arrow. Click on the Export button and choose your preferred file format. Select either a CSV or Google Sheets option for your download. The keyword list will be downloaded to your device. Open the downloaded file to review your selected keywords. You can now integrate these keywords into your SEO strategy as needed. Be sure to save this file in a designated folder for future reference. Consider revisiting Keyword Planner regularly to update your keyword lists. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.